Welcome to justCode Academy. Today we will be teaching you how to install Greenfoot for the Game Development in Java course at justCode Academy. Start off going to your favorite browser and go to greenfoot.org. When loaded, you should see a screen like this. Scroll down and hit the software. Next, you should see a screen like this. If you're on Mac, click on the Mac OS X link. If you're on Ubuntu, hit the Ubuntu link. If you're on Windows, hit the Windows link. And then on any other OS, use pure Java. Since we're on Mac, we're going to click on Mac. Next, you should see a file called mac-somenumber.zip download. Let's wait for it to be done. Alright, so the zip file is downloaded. As you can see here, Safari automatically unzips it, and if you're not using Safari, unzip it on your own. You should see three files here: Greenfoot app, readme.txt, and scenarios. You want to drag Greenfoot the app into the applications folder. You may get a prompt like this, just hit move. Alright, if you're on Windows, we hit the Windows button, and you should see an MSI file start downloading. Let's wait for that to download. Once that's downloaded, click on it to open it. You may see a screen like this. Click on More Info and Run Anyways. Then you should see a window saying Preparing to Install, and then you should see Welcome to the Greenfoot Setup Wizard. Hit Next, 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 and then Install. Let's wait for it to install. Alright, so once it's done, you should see a screen like this. Then just click Finish. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.